International Women's Day, 100 years of fighting patriarchy.
A special group was recognized around the world and in our city today. Local students rallied to pay tribute to mothers, daughters, sisters, and aunts while taking part in International Women's Day.
We can celebrate the accomplishments of women. We can celebrate the successes of women. We can acknowledge the contributions that women make to our society.
The festivities included a rally, bra burning, and even a cookie sale with a twist. Students charged men 25 cents more to represent a wage gap between genders.
We're kind of borrowing some ideas out of the second wave of feminism, and the bra burning, of course, gets a lot of attention.
For one student, taking part in the rally meant marching for her gender, but also something closer to her heart.
Absolutely. My mother, for one. She, very, very strong woman. She raised 5 and then again 9 children on her own.
Although the day is to focus on the achievements women have reached and the barriers they have overcome, some feel it is only the beginning to meeting equality.
Women are not property, children are not property. We need to advance that cause, and that's something that we need to do as global citizens.
The first Women's Day rallies were held in 1911 when over 1 million people in Europe called for women to get the right to vote and work. And while these participants today gave up their own time, in several Eastern countries, it's actually an official holiday. Maria Boychuk, Chat News.